Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Baguio peanut brittle. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 0, 5 cups of water, 1 cup of raw peanuts, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, prepare a large baking sheet by greasing it thoroughly with butter or oil. This ensures the brittle won't stick. Having everything ready before you start cooking is key for a smooth process. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar and 5 cups of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and allow the syrup to boil. Continue cooking until it reaches a hard crack stage, which is 300 degrees F on a candy thermometer. Once your sugar mixture hits 300 degrees F, remove the pot from the heat right away. This is a crucial step to prevent burning. Quickly add 1 cup of raw peanuts to the hot syrup, stirring vigorously to ensure they are evenly coated. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of butter, mixing until it's fully melted and combined. Work fast, as the mixture will start to set. Immediately pour the hot peanut brittle mixture onto your prepared, greased baking sheet. Using a greased spatula or the back of a spoon, quickly spread the mixture as thinly and evenly as possible. The thinner it is, the crispier your brittle will be. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, break it into desired pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.